All right. Hello, everybody. It is Coach Talon, your coach of the Atb Vs, bringing to you week 7 of the INT. It is the second to last week of the regular season. This week, we are taking on none other than the homie JayVee and his Atlanta Victinis. Man is a formidable opponent. Okay, man is a formidable opponent. That's a big word. He's currently 4-2. We are 2-4 right now, as of right now. And in order to make a playoff push, we have to win out. He has quite the squad going for him. And we're at the starting signal screen already. All right, he told me he wanted me to like tell him my team, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Delmise, Jirachi, Crocodile, Miltank, Apofini, and Zera. Alright. He said he's gonna tell me his 6, so we're gonna find out right now. I'm gonna press A at the starting signal because I'm ready. I'm ready to go. So we're gonna find out right now. Let me get my notes up actually. My notepad up. So as far as what I think he's gonna bring Garchomp, Slowbro, Clefable, Heatran, Terrakion, and Obstagoon. I think that's really powerful against my team as a whole. So that's just things I could see having like the most trouble with. So we're gonna see what he wants to bring in here in a second. So I know he has a layout. That's why he wanted me to tell him because he has a layout going. So I'm gonna respect that. I'm gonna respect that. Mine's post editing layout. If y'all didn't know, I don't have that on the OBS scene, so I don't see. So he brings a bit of a different team. We see no Obstagoon, and we see no Slowbro. He brings Golbat and Raikou. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so as far as Golbat, I imagine that thing's probably Eviolite. I'm gonna tell him some. All right, good luck, have fun, brother. Be sure to go check out JayVee. Man's a real one. He makes some amazing content too. So be sure to go check them out, along with all the other coaches of the INT, because they're all beautiful and wonderful people. Like I said, I need to win this game in order to have any kind of chance at playoffs. I also have to win my next game as well, which is going to be the final week of the regular season. This is the second to last week, and we get JayVee. So, yeah, we're gonna get it going. I'm gonna cut the video here, and I will see you guys when we are fully connected. So yeah, see you then. We are here with the battle against JayVee. He does have the 6 that he did tell us he was gonna bring. I trusted him to be truthful anyways. I'm not gonna doubt the homie like that. So as far as leads go, I could lead. I either want to lead my Jirachi or my Crocodile to like make him think I'm gonna get up rocks. But I think I'm gonna lead. I like the Crocodile lead more than I like my Jirachi lead. So I'm actually... No, I'm gonna lead Jirachi here. Because I imagine he's Sugar Berry more than he is probably like Chople Berry on like Terrakion and Heatran, for instance. And then I think Jirachi is just better for me. So I did not start my music. That's my bad. Okay, let's get it going. We're here. My land did not want to work yesterday when I was playing my UPBA game, so I'm glad that it's working today. I'm glad it's working. All right. As he sends out J Moose. That's the Tarak. Okay. Lead Terrakion. So if he's leading Tarak, Energy Ball does the most damage. Oh no, wait, no, it's Flash Cannon. I forgot I have Flash Cannon. All right. So I'm gonna. I don't see why I don't click Flash Cannon here. I'm gonna click Flash Cannon. He actually withdraws. Okay. And I like turtles. That's the Heatran. Alright, we're gonna see this thing set. I was so close to kicking Aura Sphere too. And we can... Oh, my HP bar is off. Yo. Chill. Okay, sorry. It was moving hella crazy. I do want to calc that damage. We are looking at a not fully specially offensive thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into my... Ooh, who do I go into? I guess I can go into my mill tank. Yeah, I'm gonna go into mill tank here. I'm gonna go into mill tank and we're gonna see what he wants to do. He does throw up stealth rock. Okay, that's fine. We have defog on Tapu Fini. So I'm not gonna get up rocks myself. I guess I can just body press. Yeah, I'm gonna click body press then. I don't know what he wants to do. Does he stay in? Body press should do 50% max to this thing. 42% minimum. As he withdraws. Okay, that's fine. Send a bat junior. Okay, go bat. Yeah, he's a Violet for sure. Okay, so I kind of just want to see what he's gonna do. So I'm gonna click milk drink, or I'm gonna click ice sponge. Tell him that we have it. He U-turns. Okay. There's no kind of damage to me, and I'm okay with staying in with whatever wants to come in. Really, so I'm chilling. J Moose. Okay, it's the Terrakion. Good play. Good play. I think it's a very easy switch into my Tapu Fini here. And then I can click defog. So I'm gonna make this play. And Misty Surge comes through. We're gonna see what he wants to go for here. We're gonna get a pretty decent look at his set. He's gonna go for the Stone Edge. He misses. That's super unfortunate. I'm so sorry, bro. I do not want hacks in this game. Okay, I could defog, but I could also just get a Scald off and a knockoff off. Oh, I don't have defog. I have haze. I have rapid spin on Delmise. That's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna click knockoff then. If he stays in, I don't think he does. I think he probably goes like Golbat or Heatran or Clefable, one of the two, or Raikou. He actually could go Raikou. I did not think about that. He does withdraw. Does he go Raikou? Ooh, it is Raikou. Okay, so we're gonna see what item this is. He's pressure. That's fine. He's leftovers. Okay. I don't want this thing getting up a substitute. So I'm gonna click Moonblast. I really don't want this thing to get up a sub. That's my biggest fear, is that this thing is substitute Calm Mind. He withdraws. Okay. Into Heatran. That's a really good play. That's a really good play. That did too. Heatran. He's offensive Heatran. Flash Cannon does only 37. I'm gonna click Scald. Just gonna click Scald. I should take a Flash Cannon fairly well, so I don't think he's super offensive considering the fact that he does have Stealth Rocks. So I'm just gonna click Scald. We can get huge damage off on something. I can see him staying in, clicking Flash Cannon. But we're just gonna he does withdraw. In the thickums. Oh shit, it's thickums. Can we get a burn? A burn would look like low-key be fired. No. Okay. I'm gonna knock off because I do want to get this thing's item off. I'm just gonna run a quick calc. Yeah, I should be able to take whatever he wants to throw. We are faster. We're gonna knock off heavy duty boots. Okay. That's fair. He does go ahead and Calm Mind up, so I'm just gonna click Haze. Yeah, we're faster than this thing. Wow, that's crazy. Actually, no, we're naturally faster. I did not know that was a thing. Okay. We show him Haze. I'm gonna just keep clicking Haze. So I was like afraid of like set up Garchomp, set up the Fable, so I'm ready to just Haze. As he does just Moonblast me. That does damage. You are like hella offensive. That's like close to, yeah, that's pretty much like max. So I'm just gonna Moonblast myself. He's gonna keep Moonblasting. Alright, we can make this trade. We can make these trades. Because I think he'll go down faster than me. So part of me, I feel like part of me thinks he's gonna, I want to click Scald here. I don't think he's gonna stay in because I think he knows he can't win this 1v1. So he actually, okay, he stays in. Good play. We get the burn. That's crazy. Soft boil. Okay. Expected. That's good. That's a good bring. But burn is really nice. Burn is really helpful. So if he's clicking Moonblast, I could go into my Jirachi. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go into my Jirachi here. Then if he clicks like Mystical Fire here, that's gonna be a really good play. He just clicks Soft Wild again. Okay. So Specs Rachi should like low-key might kill this thing. It does 90 to 109. So I don't see him staying in, so I'm just gonna click U-turn. He does withdraw. That's fair. That's a good play. And I like turtles. Okay, so we can get on our Crocodile for free. Doesn't matter. Flame Buddy doesn't matter. Actually, it kind of does. Now that I think about it. I'm gonna go into my Crook, and I'm gonna click Darkest Lariat because I feel like Golbat comes through. I don't see him staying in. I really don't. But in the event that he shook a berry, right? Say that he does. Darkest does 50%, so I'm gonna click Darkest Lariat. He does withdraw. In the Thickums. Okay, I could have clicked Earthquake. That would have been a really good play for me. Oh, that still does damage. It still does a nice chunk of damage. I'm just gonna go back into my Rachi, and I can click Aura Sphere. I'm gonna click Aura Sphere on this play. He could Calm Mind. That'd be a pretty decent play. But I don't think he does. I don't think he does. He Moonblasts. Okay, fair enough. So I'm gonna click Aura Sphere. I don't see him staying in. taking this focus or this focus blast. Not focus blast. Flash cannon. So I'm gonna hit Aura Sphere, expecting Heat Train to come in. He does withdraw. Show me I like turtles. Show me I like turtles. Let's go. Let's go. This should kill. Unless he's Chopple. He's Chopple. Oh! Is he faster than me? Wait, no, he's Chopple. He's not faster than me. There's no way he's faster than me. I'm clicking it again. Actually, no. I want to make a swap. I do want to make a swap. Because he's not staying in. He's going Clefable for sure, right? So Clefable against, like, say my... No, that's not the right script set. Clefable against Zero Aura. Plasma Fist does a lot. So I'm going to make a double into my Zero Aura. Because I don't see him staying in wanting to take another one. No, he does. Okay. Magnastorm. That does damage. Fuck. I did not expect him to stay in there. Wow. Alright, we lose our Zero Aura for sure, though. I'm a Volt Switch. Damn, that's a good bring. That's a good bring. Okay. That's fair. I'm a Volt Switch, though. I could see him going for it again. Damn, I was really trying to catch Clefable off guard there. Alright. And he's just gonna stay in again. That's damage. That's really good damage. He's gonna see my Life Orb, and we die on entry to rocks. So I could have clicked Plasma Fist, but it is what it is. I can save Lionel as a sack. I'm gonna go into my Goth GF, and I'm just gonna click Moonblast. As he can go for it again. He actually has Earth Power. Okay. So we're just seeing this thing set. He trains a good bring against me. I'm not gonna lie. He trains a really good bring against me. So I'm gonna click Scald. This thing could potentially kill us with a Flash Cannon. Oh no, we're faster. Let's go. We're just gonna kill this thing. Alright, that's really good for us. Papu Fini. KOs. He ran. That's really good for us. That's actually really good. Yeah, 77. As he could go Raikou here. That would be a pretty good play. And then if he goes Raikou, I think I go into my Delmage and then click Rapid Spin. Yeah, I think I'm going to make that play if he goes Raikou. So, he's thinking about this one. This is Raikou. Okay, I'm going to go Delmage like I said. And I'm just going to click... Yeah, I'm going to go Delmage. I can click Rapid Spin for free. As he can Volt Switch, he can Thunderbolt. He's actually going to substitute. Okay. I forgot about that. I forgot that he subbed. Okay. So Delmage. We are against Raikou. Rapid Spin does 21%. I don't... Okay, I'm not going to go for Rapid Spin. I'm going to click Power Whip. Thunderbolt. Okay. Yeah, he's going to see that we're hella AV. Hella AV. So we should always win this 1v1. Yeah. And he can volt switch, he can do whatever. I'm gonna click rapid spin here. I forgot we had earthquake. I forgot we had earthquake on this thing. He would draw, so we're gonna get rocks away, which is good. And a bat junior. Okay. But I just go into my mill tank. So I'm gonna click the mill. I'm gonna click mill tank. And then we can get Lion-O in for free, pretty much, and we can click a move. Brave Bird. Okay, he shows us Brave Bird. He's gonna take recoil, so he can click that all he wants. I kind of want to get rocks up on my own, so I'm gonna click rocks here. As he clicks U-turn, it probably goes to Rakion. That'd be my guess. If he goes to Rakion, what stops me from going into my Delmise? Say he's like Swords Dance track, right? Tapu Fini shouldn't die from a close combat, but it will take a lot. He does go to Rakion. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap into my what do I'm gonna swap into my debut. Actually, no. I'm gonna go Tapu Fini. I'm gonna go Tapu Fini. Yeah. So we might go down here with Tapu Fini, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay. And he does go for close combat. Yeah, that looks like average damage for close combat. We're at 53. Yeah, okay. Close combat should never kill us. So I'm just gonna Moonblast here. Close combat should never kill us. And at -1 special defense, we will kill with a Moonblast. So if he wants to stay in and sack this thing, he's gonna stay in and sack this thing. He does withdraw. Is it in the Fable? Bat Junior. Okay, I want to knock off. I really want to knock off here. You're gonna take Hello Rocks. God damn. Ooh, big damage, big damage. That's a crit. Okay. We'll take those, we'll take those. I'm gonna get this attack drop. Not that it's gonna matter. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for the knockoff. Well, he dies on entry to rocks, so I'm just gonna Scald. I'm just gonna Scald this thing. And that's actually just gonna kill. Damn, Tapu Fini's different, bro. Tapu Fini's just different with it. And I imagine he goes Clefable or Raikou. So yes, Rakion, Clefable, Raikou, and Garchomp left. We have not seen anything with the Garchomp. We know that Clefable is set up with Calm Mind, Moonblast, Soft Boiled, and then a fourth move. We know Raikou is substitute, probably Calm Mind with Thunderbolt and another move as well. My guess would be Aura Sphere. My guess is either or. My guess is Aura Sphere. I think he has Aura Sphere on Raikou. So he does go into Clefable. I'm content with letting my Tapu Fini go down. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna click Moonblast. I'm just gonna click Moonblast. I'm content with letting this thing go down. I see Soft Boils. Good play. Not gonna deny that's a good play. And he's just gonna get back to where he once was. So I'm gonna click it again. We're at a really good HP to really fight this thing. So I'm gonna Moonblast here. And will he show me his other move? I'm just gonna Moonblast. We get a special attack drop. That's nice. He's gonna Moonblast himself. Alright, unless we get a crit, we won't kill. So I imagine he's just gonna hit soft boiled. As Misty Terrain does disappear, I'm gonna click Moonblast. Did we get a crit? Wow, Tapu Fini's just different like that. Wow, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that one. He goes in a Raikou. I'm gonna keep Tapu Fini around. Damn, we got a hella max roll for that one. There's no way we didn't. He has Scald. Okay. No burn, no burn. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, I'm gonna Earthquake here. I'm gonna Earthquake. He clicks it again. As long as we don't get burned, we will kill this thing. Let's go. Let's go. This thing's dead. Delmise KOs Raikou. And if Garchomp comes in, he's like Swords Dance Garchomp. We will just click Power Whip. The Dawn. I'm just gonna click Power Whip. And we're gonna see what he is. He is Swords Dance. Wow. We miss. We miss. That's huge. Fuck, man. Is he Scale Shot? At +2, Scale Shot should kill me if he gets 3 hits. Assuming I'm at it. He's gonna click it again. Wow. We might just lose to Garchomp here. Because if he gets to +1, we're done. Yeah, we lost. There's no way, bro. Wait. You're joking. Did we actually just lose? I think we actually just lost. Fuck, man. Fuck me. We actually just lost. That's a good set. Earthquake should kill. Wow. I ain't got anything to say. That was a really good game. Swords Dance Garchomp, man. Swords Dance Garchomp. Things fucking different. Like, we don't outspeed with Kruk. There's no way, right? Yeah, no, there's no way we outspeed with Kruk. Oh, I should not have gone into Dhelmise, bro. Poison Jab. That's crazy. I mean, unless he's not like max speed. Then maybe we could outspeed. It needs to be like no speed investment pretty much. And I'm fairly sure he has speed investment. Yeah, GG. That's fucking crazy. We were in such a good position, bro. That's so unfortunate. That's so good. It is what it is, man. That's Mons. That's Mons, bro. GG to JayVee. Man brought an amazing set. What can I say? He found the opportunity to put it to use, and he did it. That miss. Wait, who did I miss on? Did I miss on the Garchomp? Did I miss my power up on the Garchomp? That's huge. If I did, I'm not 100% sure. I don't really remember. GG to JayVee. I believe we are out of playoffs now. That was a really good game. I don't know what else to say. Scale shot Garchomp just took it away. But with that being said, I'm gonna get up and out of here. I'm Coach Talon, Coach Atb Vs. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.